Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today's series, Mini Crawlers, is a big shout out to Bang for Your Buck RC Reviews. Super cool guy, very supportive, always encouraging, and he really keeps the momentum going in these videos. So thanks a lot. And really big one is that his latest video, he helped me find this deal right here on Amazon for 90 bucks. They had it down to, which was really cool. Awesome deal. This is the 1/18 scale eazyrc Patriot, and I just found out that they just released the eazyrc Arizona 1/18 scale, which is a Jeep Wrangler, yellow hard body, and that's what really makes this little crawler very cool. But we will be saving this one for the next video. But I'm gonna post a link of Bang for Your Buck RC reviews video on this, so you can check this out. He has it in some good running video on it too, so I'll just be doing an unboxing later on. But basically, while I was looking that deal up, it led me to this one, which I've been eyeing for a long time, but the prices have just been a bit high. But this was on Amazon, or as of today is on Amazon for $127.99, free shipping, which is the cheapest I've seen it for. And they even had a 7% off coupon, which took care of the tax for me. So I paid $128 for this. But this is a 6x6 1/18 scale mini crawler as well. I did pick up the red version. The brand is LMS, called the Atlas. And just give you a quick shot of the features on this truck before I open it up. But it is definitely set up for crawling as far as the power goes, being a 100 turn brushed motor. I'm not sure of the size yet, but the packaging was awesome. This came in an Amazon box, it came in a FMS brown box, and then it has this packaging right here, which is a slip cover and a nice case. So check that out. Give you a shot of the box, gives you the dimensions. They even give you approach and departure angles, which is really cool. Some more features, and this is the main thing though. Very nice, cool foam box, like a case. And let's get this thing opened. Man, very cool. I don't think I've had an RC pack this nicely. But here is the manual. This is actually, I've seen these rebranded as a Turbo RC transmitters. I do have a few of those. Those are the ones I started on. They're great little starters. They take 4 AAA batteries that go in the handle, which I'll show you in a bit once I pull it out. It does look like it give you extra set of springs, hard springs as they're labeled, little wrench, screwdriver, and parts trees for spare parts. I'm not sure how the spare parts support is on this yet, but this has been around for, it's one of the more recent RCs, but it has been around for a while. Been watching it. Ooh, as I pull it out, it's got really nice feel to it. 6-wheel drive. Check that out. Very detailed working lights, hard body, a nice cage to it, and a spare working spare wheel. So that's very nice. And then let me give you a shot of this transmitter. So you have your reverse, your steering trim, throttle trim, on off switch, channel 3. Here is the handle, and this is actually where you put your batteries into. You'll flip this top off, and then you'll see in there we'll take 4 AAA batteries. And then once you're ready, it does slide on. If I can line it up. Okay. Oh, this way. Okay. Okay, there you go. So it slides on like that. So, not the highest quality, but not bad for a cheap one. I think if you ordered this alone with the receiver, I think they run for around $18 to $20. But they're nice, compact, good for one hand. But yeah, aside from the unboxing, that seems to be mainly it. I will need to look up how to remove the body on this one. I believe, oh, there you go. So very cool. You just, it's magnets holding the cab down, and then you do flip it up, but it can only go so far because of that front bumper. So don't yank it and snap either the body hinges or the front bumper. That'd be a bummer. But inside here, this is the plug for the lights right there. And then we have the balance charge port. This does, I believe this is a 2S battery. I don't remember the capacity of it. Actually, let me take out the battery. So the battery has held on by these little rubber bands, which I just snapped one, so that kind of sucks. Not the greatest retention system, but yeah, we got a 2S 7.4 volt 600 milliamp. So actually, I think this could share a battery with the WL Toys K969, K989, and the A252 and 242. The battery is similar size, and since it runs off of the oh, but I'm wrong actually, because the power is used off of this instead of the charging port. So yeah, aside from that, you can take a look inside. Something I think is awesome, I do see a 3-wire servo, so something upgradable, and I do have micro servos. I'm gonna see if the ones I have can fit in there, which is really cool. Very happy about. And aside from that, I'm just gonna look for ways to weight the axle and the wheels. So I'll probably open these up and put some strip weights along the inside. And another cool feature is that these are beadlock wheels, according to what they advertise. And you can see that they do have 5 screws that go along the wheel. There you go. That is very cool. So no foam, which the nice thing is there's an option to add, being beadlock wheels. And aside from that, yeah, I can't wait to get this going. And when I do, I'll definitely run it with the eazyrc Patriot, and also the SCX24 is a pretty cool one. I actually really wanted that Tetra K1, that old Wagon one that they had, a four-wheel drive wagon, but the prices were running a bit high on that too, so I decided not to go with it. Something to note is these are not oil-filled shocks, just friction shocks, just like the WO toys, or not the WO toys, but the um, Axial SCX24. That's the cool thing about the Tetra, is that they do come with the oil shocks. But anyways, here's a size comparison to another 1/18 scale or some other 1/18 scale RCs, just so you can get a look at how big this is. So pretty similar in size for the 1/18s, and in my next video I'll get this opened up so you can see how this stacks up. But awesome selling point about this is the details. Cool hard body, working lights. It is a crawler setup, and Bang for Your Buck RC gave a great tip that these are top heavy, so maybe they're better as trail trucks instead of crawlers, but still very cool to have a mini crawler slash mini trail truck. However these perform, because the scale is definitely there. So thanks for checking out my videos, and definitely check out his videos, and I'll get that link in there where he has the sale link to this one, and I'll post the link to this one as well on Amazon. But the key is the sales might be over, but definitely shop around because prices do drop every once in a while, and it's just snagging those deals. So along with being a cool guy, he's got a great YouTube channel name. So definitely check out those videos, and stay tuned for these mini crawler series.